So guys, welcome to the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. Today I'm privileged, Manze, to bring to you this amazing video. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Shelton Online TV, and please enjoy the amazing view of the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. Wow, how does this place look like? This place looks really beautiful. As you are aware, today the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Honorable William Ruto, he also came in and definitely launched just to inspect the security status of the stadium. This is one of the most secure place. As you can see, that's the CCTV camera, and there's a whole lot of rooms used to manage this place. So kindly enjoy this video, and yeah, this is Shelton Online TV, and we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Please make sure you enjoy this video. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So welcome to this special episode at the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. I'm going to show you all the latest updates of this stadium. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Everything, as you can see, this place looks so ready just to host this tournament. Enjoy my video, and please let me know what you think about this place in the comment section below. So these are the changing room, the home team changing rooms. I think that place is locked, and so I'm gonna try and take you to the other side, this side up. Yeah, so please let's go to the changing rooms. So these are the toilets at the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. Wow, they're so clean, guys. As you can see, they are very clean. Let me know what you think. This is the shower. I'm not so sure if there is water running, but I can just show you. This is the shower. After the players have done with the match, they can just come and take the water, or they just take their showers here. So these are the shower area, or these are the bathroom area at the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. So this is the changing room section, and yeah, so wow, I really love what I'm seeing at the Moi Sports Center Kasarani. What do you think? What do you guys think? Those are the lights. This is the wall. This is the roofing. Those are the roof, yeah. That's the light again. So let's go to the other side. This is how the walls look like. Wow. So let's go to the other areas. These are some. Again, these are still other toilets. The toilets area. So yeah, these are the same one, the one I show you there. These are men changing. These are the men's one. Yeah. So niaje. Kuna yenye imefunguliwa? Oh, so hii. Okay. On my right. Okay. Wow. So, guys, these are the official changing rooms at the Moi Sports Center, Kasarani. Wow. So, as you can see, those are the seats. Those are the seats. Let me just give you a whole video. Please make sure you enjoy. This is the changing room at the Moi Sports Center, Kasarani. So players just come and sit here. These are the digital or these are the digital safe boxes where they're password protected. Just set it with your password and then you can lock in your expensive jewelries, your watches, your wallet. Yeah, so it has also have the sockets here. They can actually charge their phones here. And yeah, so these are the hooks to just have or organize the jerseys or the uniform. So wow, enjoy guys. This place is so quiet, guys. So enjoy this unfiltered video. This is as raw as possible. So this is called the tactical boards. Wow. So the coach just come here and just do a tactical skills management with the team, just to give the team an advantage to the opponent. So this is maybe number 8 just comes here, number 11 comes here, number 7 just comes here, number 8 just shoot the ball at this corner, and this is yeah, wow. So yeah, this place looks good. Enjoy this amazing video, guys, and wow. These are the electronic safes. Please don't put your Mpesa pin to lock these boxes. So guys, inside here, these are the showers inside the changing rooms. Wow, wow, amazing. What do you guys think about this place? Wow, it looks so beautiful. Whole lot of space, as you can see here. Wow, I love it. Wow, so the players can just come here, have their showers, and wow, 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 wow. Let me know what you think about this area, guys. Wow. Wow, love it. So this is the shower. This is the sink. Yes. So I don't know what are these. Can let me know. Or so this is the towel holders. That's the handheld shower. This is the bowl. Important. If installing back to wall, do not remove the red plugs. I don't see the red plugs there, so this is also like inspected by that one. Wow, so this is the shower or the bathroom area. Yes, what do you guys think about this place? Wow, so beautiful, so spacious. I think this place you can have like almost like 3 players or 2 players having shower at the same time. And these are just the hooks which are just placed at the door. Yeah, those ones. And yeah, so wow, amazing, amazing guys, amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow, nice, love it. What do you guys think about this place? These are the bathroom and the toilet section at the Moi Sports Center, Kasarani. These are the These are the urinals, eh? So the urinals. Wow, love it.